Hey, Jules.
What have you been up to?
Well,
I think I'm gonna need a fork.
you're going to need a fork. I thought, this might be the year the Leafs win the cup.
Hey, I'm always in for that.
And we might need a snack to celebrate the Stanley Cup coming to Canada. And I figure I've got time to work on this.
You figure it's gonna take you that long? Hockey season's a long time.
Well, yeah, and I've been waiting very long time for them to win. So this is sort of a Tex-Mex Chipotle meatball.
Because when I think the Maple Leafs, that's what I think.
Hot.
It's really good.
So it's essentially a taco meatball.
Your dollop of Chipotle was pretty heavy.
Okay, so I over Chipotle. I love Chipotle. Perhaps I over Chipotle'd it, and I won't put the extra Chipotle in the recipe. I'll just give you the right amount. Here's how I made these. So I started off by grating some cheddar cheese. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. And then I minced up a jalapeno pepper really finely. And then I added some cilantro to that and minced it up really fine as well. Then into a bowl I put the ground beef, chipotle chili powder, cumin. I added the jalapeno and the minced cilantro, an egg, and the cheddar cheese. I also crushed in a couple of cloves of garlic. Mix that all together and portion it out into meatballs. Into the cast iron frying pan, I put a little bit of oil, and then I browned off the meatballs. While the meatballs were browning, I sliced an onion and sliced up another jalapeno pepper. Once the meatballs were browned, I pulled them out of the pan and then into the pan went the onions and the jalapeno pepper, and I softened them a little bit. Then I put in a can of crushed tomatoes. And chopped chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Cook that for a little while to soften it up. And once the flavors had all melded together, I put the meatballs back in to bring them back up to temperature. And you end up with this. I mean, weirdly, they essentially taste like taco meatballs. You know, like hard shell, tacos, loose meat tacos. And so these would be great on a sandwich, a meatball sandwich. Mm-hmm. Also put some shredded cheese on top when you're serving them.
Yeah, you could do that.
It'd be great for a party because you could put these in a crock pot to keep them warm. And your guests could just serve themselves.
Scoop of sour cream would kind of blend it in.
Sour cream would be amazing on top, wouldn't it? So you get yourself a baguette, you put the meatballs on top, grated cheese, a little cilantro, some sour cream.
Yeah,
You've got yourself an amazing lunch.
that'll work out.
It would work out.
So, how often are you going to eat these before the finals?
I think we nailed this one. Now the Leafs just have to do their job.